Kani kadai ke Batisi TV. Bat pidang pet ya ka khubor baman kasngi belawan ra shepi da ka rupa. Bapentingan bat penbha.
Ringkat bat kiwedi ki district hakani ke Jela Meghalaya ka office trekam jangka Disaster Management Authority Southwest Castles District henen kasngi ka lai poitrek ubna risau arja katpra ringkat ke jingi bentalang ki pajba ka snong maulangwer ki khna school na ka Nativity High Secondary School ki samla pule ka Sngaps AMS College bat ki pajba ka snong mokorwan lapan i ki boy ban penkre kumno banyada habawan dan shop ki bot kamaryang kamtam ujumai bat kumno banyada ki para breu habakhe ujumai ubajur hakano kono kapor hakani ka mock drill la pentre kamru marmar ya ka incident response team hapo ka jelam jong ka deputy commissioner jong ka Southwest Castles District ka kong Isawanda lalu IAS ya ka incident response team la pia hakilai benta bakan top ya ka kanhon operation ka planning bat kawai pat kadai ka kanhon logistic ki bala trekam klam sange hapo ka jelam jong incident commander uba WBM ubalong ru additional commissioner jong kani ka district kini ki kanhon kla trekam ba ka bapen biang ki jingdon kam ha ka benta banyarap ki basakta ha ki bon benta lengba hakum kani ka jingja ha kani ka sngi labo ru ya ka staging area ka medical aid post ka relief camps bat ka communities kitchen.
Very important information, an earthquake has occurred just now in Southwest Khasi Hills district. I request the incident commander to immediately activate the incident response team. Over.
Yes, ma'am, I will take up right now. I will call an emergency meeting with all the sections here.
Please keep me posted. Over.
Operation Secretary.
Make sure that incident commander has activated the planning section, the operation section, and the logistics section.
Make sure there.
You just note down, doctor. Seshu contact ki. I think a mobile phone is the network to last new network to check the network don't am. Please tell NIC to check whether the line to the state emergency operation sector is available. On NIC ban check no la don line am.
Bawa tu. Macam ni jelas. Tarik lagi lah kok sekarang.
logistics section here. The number of deaths is 5 now. Confirm report. And the rest of the reports are the same. Information received. Over.
As of now, the situation is normal, and there is no more crowd in the relief camp and in the medical aid camp. And the final figure we have received from the logistics sections: 21 seriously injured, 19 minor injury, and 5 members people died, and 16 has been shifted to hospital for medical treatments. Over.
Kadapati kami sudah kemak keluar. Kalau ayah kini kajing pendapat pak, bahagian kajing presiden siapa? Kajing presiden tom jom ke incident response team. Ringkat kajing itu hilang, waktu pak. Kajing jajai, kajing songsok songsungan kelawan yang hadas mau keluar. Hak bayi kami telah penting dulu. Balalah berajin sumar kajing rasa marmar. Jadi bercanda. Baju ekor dalam penting dulu. Balalah pentingnya dulu yang celongging belajar. But hak bayi dari kami. Kalau nak terpadu kena untuk nangis, nangis mak.